Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Cryptokip, and today we're going to be talking about Crypto.com Capital, and we're going to take a look at the year's glance for what they've achieved over the last 12 months, and we're going to talk about some of the big stories going on in the crypto market right now, revolving some of these large exchanges, Crypto.com and FTX, and take a peek here at the charts. If you guys like this kind of content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 3 videos every single day. And soon, we're actually be coming out with some TA, technical analysis, by one of the partners on this channel, Maxi Finance. And we are very excited to bring some more technical analysis to you guys because we love you and we appreciate you tuning in. So we want to give you a little bit more bang for your buck. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we are going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that. Let's take a peek here at the charts. Let's hop into the content. Looking at a $967 billion market cap right now for crypto. Very excellent to see. We are climbing up. And why? Because I believe because it is the month of October. Officially, October has begun and Bitcoin is starting to climb, which is very exciting. Now, we are excited to start showing you guys some technical analysis, especially if we do get a breakout. Again, Maxi is going to be sharing with you that soon. But we're going to dive into this chart real quick. I just want to show you guys, I mean, we are having a pretty good move up. This is over the last 3 months. And over the last year, you know, you can see we've been pretty flat. So we're looking for a breakout. And when you kind of start looking at this all-time chart, you know, we'll get into it more in depth later, but, you know, a $26,000 Bitcoin bounce, it could be in the cards, right, for the month of October. It's certainly possible. But very, very exciting stuff going on there. Looking at Ethereum, $1,357. Binance coin climbing higher today, almost at $300 again. FTX token currently at 25 bucks, climbing higher, and Cronos at 11 cents once again. Couple stories to hop into. Chris Marsliak to start. Want to show you guys, he is very active on Twitter, and we're going to dive more into that in just a minute, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried is actually going to be targeting Celsius as the Celsius asset sale is officially scheduled. These crypto exchanges are buying up this dip. Now, recently, you just saw that they actually bought Voyager for several $1 million, which was very, very big for Sam Bankman-Fried, again, buying the dip. And now they are looking at Celsius. And this bankruptcy sale hearing has been finalized, so it is coming in the pipeline. Big, big move for crypto. A big, big move for FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. Chris Marsliak as well, got to keep in mind, obviously getting regulatory approval in France. Also showing a little bit about his advertisings. We've talked about this. But guys, they've got cash on the sidelines as well. And that is through Crypto.com Capital. So that's pretty exciting. They recently launched their roadmap, which was absolutely huge news. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit more about this. So Crypto.com Capital will invest in 200 to 300 projects during this bear market. Lots of dry powder left to deploy out of the $500 million fund. I talked about this in just a previous video. But what I didn't do is I didn't dive into Crypto.com Capital, which is the capital arm of Crypto.com, the folks that are making it possible for the growth in the Cronos ecosystem, for the Crypto.com team. And there's a lot going on. Look at this one-year glance from Crypto.com Capital. There's a lot of great information in here. But time flies when you're doing deals. That was the case for us at Crypto.com Capital as the one-year anniversary of the launch of our fund passed almost without us realizing. That's how busy we were closing deals, and you can see that in some of the successes they have. They go through some of the key developments and some of the recaps. I've got to read these out for you guys because this is what it's all about. We've completed more than 60 deals focused on early stage token and equity investments. Our scope is global, and we've invested in projects across Asia, Europe, and the US. We've seen a lot of this crypto adoption coming from some of these regulatory approvals in some of these other countries. France was recent. That was pretty exciting. There's a lot more coming too. Our investments are chain and sector agnostic. The companies in our portfolio range from DeFi protocols, L1 blockchains to layer 2, scaling solutions to gaming, NFT infrastructure, and more. The fund initially launched with a $200 million capital commitment, which we increased to $500 million in January of 2022. That it's all our own money at Crypto.com. Also, we are a principal investment fund managing Crypto.com's balance sheet, capital. Not having LPs affords us flexibility when it comes to deals and maximizes our strategic involvement and value for portfolio companies. Without pressure to return capital to LPs, we can align ourselves with portfolio companies as long-term holders. These guys have a vision. Recently, we came out with the Cronos 2.0 roadmap. This is big. They've got grants in place for developers to grow applications on the ever-scaling Cronos blockchain. Guys, this is the year of crypto growth. It's a bear market, yes, but the fact is, look at all these partners. Look at all the interaction that Cronos and Crypto.com are having with all these partners. It is non-stop, and there are so many more coming. There's so much excitement to be had, and right now we are 90% down from the all-time high for Crypto.com token, and it is very, very bullish for the future. You can see a lot of the information in here. Basically, this is their brag sheet. They're letting us know as investors how they're doing, what they're doing, where their team is coming from. A multidisciplinary team. Our team draws experience from a range of industries, including traditional finance, which you got to have a little bit of traditional finance in your team. Investment banking, which you got to have a little bit of investment bankers in your team because the banks are kind of trying to resist it, right? So you got to know how to kind of get around the navigations of traditional banks. Cryptocurrency exchanges, and journalism, which is important to spread the word. We believe it is important to offer different perspectives, and with the diverse background of our team, this gives a multidisciplined approach for evaluating investments and providing quality value for our portfolio companies beyond just capital. They brag that they're crypto natives. They're navigating the bear market. How? By building critical L1 infrastructure, L2 scaling solutions, or tooling that helped blockchains, decentralized apps, and Web3 services. They're focusing on DeFi, more gaming, NFTFi, mass adoption. You can see some of this in the Cronos roadmap. There's a lot of exciting things happening for these guys right now. It is very, very exciting. I'm very, very bullish. It is the beginning of October, and we are seeing a pump. And we will be coming out with some technical analysis for you guys very, very soon from my partner, Black Sea Finance. Very excited to bring that to the table for you guys soon. That's all I got in today's video. I'm Cryptokip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got to remember to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. Don't forget, I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. That's all I got. Peace.